This is the Blackview Z20 kids smartwatch. Basically, the parents dream to finding a cheaper smartwatch that doesn't break the bank and having the functions that does of a premium smartwatch. It's a successor to Z10, which does a better job. By the way, let's talk about the Z20 watch itself. The watch is plastic built material, the frame itself, silicone strap. Additionally, you can also get a nylon strap in the box. So, whether your kids likes the silicone or the nylon tight fit. The watch front side has a 1.83 inches of IPS screen display, prone to scratches. Compared to the Z10, it's the same thing, so better purchase a separate screen protector, cut it and apply it. Looking at the side, it's got a SIM card tray, so basically you can use a 4G SIM, not a 5G. Can do voice calls, voice messages, tracking, all this stuff. We'll come to that in a bit. And on the other side, there are the two buttons for switching on, off, lock, and all this, to navigate through the software. At the back side of the watch, there are no health sensors, just the charging connectors to charge the watch. The watch is IP67 water resistant and dust as well, so there's no worries for the watch to get damaged while you're showering, your kid's showering, or going for a swim class. It supports multi-language, so no issues there. It doesn't just do English. And the following are the notable features that are offered in this watch. The first is it's got an ARM processor for a seamless interface, so you will not have any lags while scrolling up and down to the menus. It's also got an SOS call button. It's got also a mini chat where you can also drop your voice messages. It's got a face unlock. By the way, the face unlock, the camera is 8MP, but it's sort of like 3MP quality, so I can't rely much on the face unlocking feature. It's got also the remote photo capture, so you can, as a parent, can access the watch camera through your phone. It's also got remote shutdown. I don't know what's that for. I don't know if it can turn back on by using your phone. And also it's got contacts on quick dial, so your kid can call you directly or any on, and you have saved the contacts. There's also got the school mode, so basically your kids won't get distracted, or kids using the watch for gaming purpose, just to play games. It's also got a safe zone to ensure your kids are not outside those boundaries. And it's also got a quick add friend feature, so if one of your kids' friends has the same model, the Z20, they can add easily. I don't know how is that done because I've just got one Z20. And lastly, the watch lasts about 2 to 5 days depending on the usability of the watch. The watch comes in two colors. This one is the blue and the other is the pink, and it's cost about $75 for those of you who wants to purchase it. For this watch, to know what other accessories is provided in the box, that is also provided in the description below. And for those of you if want to know how to pair this watch with a phone, comment below, then I will make one video for that as well. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you do, leave a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel would give you more better contents just like this, and catch you guys in the next one.